No, you just walk now.
He wants my hand.
It's like dominoes.
Hey, go on.
Mom, does this look scary?
Yes.
Keep walking.
Good job. We saw those guys doing it. And our walls fell, and then we started doing it. And then Molly started doing it. Molly started doing it.
Good job, Molly.
Good job.
Harper, do you see these holes in there? Like these? Yeah. They're woodpecker holes, I think. Right, Mama?
Maybe.
Oh, no, those ones are woodpecker holes. These ones are. The little ones.
Good job. Yay.
Yay!
I went from the very tip of the end way down to its end.
Yeah.